Hey there, sunshine. So today I have February Sephora Play unboxing. Now, if you've been on my channel for a long time, you know I just canceled with Sephora Play like I think it was like October, but it was probably a little bit longer ago than that. So I canceled Sephora Play because I felt like the products that I were getting just weren't, like, it wasn't a great variety, and I kind of felt like I was getting like the same kind of products over and over again. It was just basically like the stuff that I started to receive over like the 3-month period where I was considering canceling. It was just a lot of like skincare, and I want a beauty box, I want a makeup box to have a large variety. And so then I signed up for Ipsy, and that was a mess, and I'm still debating on whether or not I want to be with Ipsy. Let me know if you think I should stay with Ipsy or not. And so while debating on whether or not I should stick with Ipsy, I was like, why don't I give Sephora Play a chance again? So I signed up for Sephora Play, and I wasn't on the wait list. There was no wait list, and I just got my box in the mail today, and I have to say I am very excited because I cheated and I looked and I know everything inside of here. I just can't control myself when I get that email and they're like, guess what's in your box? So you click here to find out, and I immediately, there's no contemplation. So I do know everything that's inside of this box. So this month's theme is Valentine's Day because it's like February and Valentine's Day is in February. So when I opened this up, I was shook because this thing right here is so freaking cute. Look, if we open it up, it's all different Valentine's Day things, like for you and your girlfriends. Like some of my favorite ones were, your friendship makes me feel the way my highlighter makes me look. Your eyeliner is a work of art. You are a good friend and your eyebrows are amazing. Like, these are some positive things that I need in my life, and I honestly love this. It was so cute. I took time to read all of it, and I thought it was really nice, like, personal, fun flair for Sephora to add into the box. So with that, like, first card, I was kind of impressed. Now, when I opened up the box, like I took that card off, I saw this bag, and I was a little disappointed because I kind of was hoped by now that Sephora, like, would up the quality of these bags, because I just feel like these bags aren't very nice. And since Ipsy and Sephora are both $10 a month, and Sephora, like, literally it costs you $10 a minute to breathe the air in Sephora, I would think that they would be able to afford like nicer bags, you know. But I mean, like, hey, whatever floats your boat. And for some reason this girl on here reminded me of Wendy's again. Like, I guess it's just because of the red, but it says feel the love, hashtag Sephora Play. And yeah, that's fun. So the first thing that I pulled out is the perfume sample. I think Sephora Play is better than Ipsy. Like, I think it's a better value because everything is from Sephora. Like, everything Sephora Play sends you is stuff you can find inside of Sephora. Whereas like Ipsy can like cheap you out and just send you like all drugstore items. Whereas Sephora, like, everything's inside of Sephora, and we all know, again, it's like $10 a minute to breathe air in there. So I think that's really nice, but you also get 6 items every single time because they always send you a perfume sample. So you get 5 beauty items and you get a perfume sample. So this perfume sample for February is from Philosophy, and I was gonna say the shade name, but the perfume is Amazing Grace. And I kind of like smelled it when I opened up the box, and this is not going to be a perfume that I am going to enjoy. I bounce around. I really like citrusy smelling perfumes, but I also wear like white musk. It is in the floral fragrance family, with the top note is bergamot. The middle note is Muguet blossoms. I've never heard of that. And the base is musk lily of the valley. So I guess they're they are classifying this as a floral perfume. I don't really get floral from this one. It kind of smells like Windex to me a little bit, but I mean, I don't have the best nose in all of the world. Next thing that I'm pulling out is from Peter Thomas Roth, Firm X Peeling Gel. Visibly roll and lift and sweep away dead skin cells when massaged into skin. Multi-action enzymes and cellulose help uncover a smooth, fresh, new complexion. So we have a skincare option in this one. And this to me sounds like an exfoliator. I'm trying to like make sure the light hits this so you guys can like read it, but not read it because of the brightness of the light. And it's not scented. I don't get anything. Oh, that is... Whoa. This is weird. What? Okay, if you guys can see this, you probably won't. I'm gonna see if I can turn my brightness down a little bit. It's like clumping up. Like literally, okay, I put it down. And it was just like I put like conditioner or something on my hand. And now that I'm moving around, little balls are like clumping up. And that is so crazy. It's literally just like, you know when you get sunburnt in the summer and you like have like, if you like exfoliate and you have that like your dead skin cells like building up, that's exactly what this is like. That is so cool. And it's, okay, very, 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 very faint floral smell. Like I can sit here and like do that and I can like still breathe. Like I'm still conversing with you guys. So good job on that one. And I think it's really cool. Like spoiler alert for the rest of the video, I recognize all of the brands in this month's box. So like these are all like poppin' brands at Sephora, which is really exciting. Next thing that I pull out is from First Aid Beauty, and it's the Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask. Safe for sensitive skin. So it is a mask and it's kind of cool looking. It's like, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like kind of like green, a little bit like a yellow green. I hate turmeric. Like I used to use turmeric for like a natural option to help deal with my fibromyalgia. So I would take like a tablespoon of turmeric every day. I hate the taste of turmeric. It is one of the things that I literally cannot stand. So I'm really hoping this does not smell like turmeric at all. I'm not getting turmeric, but I'm getting like, okay, I get two different things. I get Hubba Bubba like bubble gum, but I also get mint as well. So that's kind of a strange combination. So, I mean, that's really cool. First Aid Beauty, I recognize too. So far we've got 2 skincare options and a perfume. Ooh, is from Sephora, as in the brand Sephora, and it's a lip gloss. Okay, I was able to peel off the protective packaging, but this is a lip gel, and it's in the shade Perfect Nude. This is in the shade Perfect Nude. Ooh, the applicator is really weird looking. It's like hourglassy shape, like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Okay, so we're gonna put this right here. Oh, that's sticky feeling. That's sticky. Okay, maybe not, it's tacky. It's very tacky feeling. It's not super sticky like the cheap dollar store lip glosses I've used. And it kind of has a very faint smell of like vanilla. But here's the shade. I'm really trying my best here with this lighting. I'm sorry guys, it's not the best. But the application was like super uneven, if you guys can see that. Like, can you guys see how like patchy that's looking on my hand? And for some reason, it reminds me of the Laura Geller lip gloss in chocolate chip cookie dough. No, it's just called cookie dough. I think this is what it's called. But it kind of reminds me, it's a very similar shade to that one. But the Laura Geller or Geller, however you say her name, that lip gloss is a lot less tacky feeling than this one. But this one is scented, so yay. Okay, next I'm pulling out Makeup Forever Artist Rogue. Okay, sorry. It's a lipstick. It's in the shade Artist Rogue. Okay, I've said it like 9 times. I'm sorry, guys. So it's a lipstick, which I'm hype about. I love getting lip products. So this is for Makeup Forever, like I just said 5 seconds ago. Who cares? Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, it's very wobbly feeling in the tube, but my goodness, that is pigmented. Oh, and that's a pretty berry color. Like, that would be really, really pretty for fall. That is so pretty. And the last thing that we are pulling out of the bag is what I was most excited about, so I'm glad that I got to pull it out last. It's the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I literally ran out of mine, and I was going to buy more. So I'm really happy that I don't have to do that. And this is, like, travel size. I wouldn't say it's, like, the same exact size as, like, the travel size that you would go buy. But, I mean, like, it's a decent size. Like, how many ounces is it? 0.13 ounces. I love this mascara so much. I really like talked a lot of crap on it, but now that I've like learned some tips to use it, it definitely didn't live up to the hype for me, but it's still a really nice mascara. So basically, here's everything that we got in this month's box. We got the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, something I am super pumped to have again. The Philosophy Amazing Grace Perfume Sample, Peter Thomas Roth Peeling Gel, First Aid Beauty Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask, Makeup Forever Lipstick in Artist Rouge, and then Sephora Lip Gel. I'm very happy with everything, and they are definitely brands that I recognize. So, what did you get in your Sephora Play box if you signed up for Sephora Play? And what did you think of my box? I would love to hear what you guys have to say in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.